The TimberVault's concealment shelf includes mounting screws, hex bolts, anchors, and a locking pin. Also included is a hidden steel mounting bracket. The first step is to attach this lock pin. It comes with 2 screws and pre-drilled holes. The next step is to install 4 AAA batteries. So we took our shelf and we held it up against the wall and we found where we wanted it. We want it right here. Then I found that I have a stud right here where you can see these 2 holes were. And we decided we want it positioned just under that. So I'm going to place the bracket on the wall so that these 2 holes will hit this stud. Next I used my level to get the bracket nice and straight, and then I drew a level line on the top and marked each hole. Now I'm going to take a screw and screw it into each of those holes to see if there's a stud. I'll be able to feel it if there's a stud. If there is no stud, I'll use an anchor. So that one has no stud. That one has no stud. So those are 2 anchors right there. To get those started with a hammer and then screw them in by hand. Now with my anchors in place and the studs located, I can mount the steel bracket to the wall. So this is a really clever design. There's 2 holes in the back, it just slides over the shelf. I've got these 2 hex bolts and they go up and into the bracket to secure the shelf onto the bracket. And that completes the installation.